Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our Framer Crash Course. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to publish a website on Framer. So we are now currently in our canvas. What I'm just going to do is to click on our canvas. And what if I just want to publish a text saying hello world to the web? I'm just going to hit T on my keyboard and then click on my canvas. So I can just type hello world. So this is our text right here. We can increase the size from here, or we can scroll down here to the font size. Mind you, the reason why I said we're going to need a mouse for learning Framer is because some parts of our Framer interface is not scrollable without a mouse. So a mouse is very important. So right here in the text size, I can just click on it and then give it a size of maybe 90. Can also come here and then increase it to our desired size. I'm just going to keep it here. We can either preview it by coming to this tab right here and click on preview, or we can click on Ctrl P on our keyboard. Now, to view our website full screen, you can click on full screen right here. Now, to go back to our canvas, you can still click on Ctrl P on our keyboard. And to publish our website, we're just going to come here and then click on publish. And now our website is being published, and this is a generic link to be able to preview our website on the web. We can also add our own custom domain, which we are going to talk about later in the video. So I'm just going to click on this to view on Chrome, and now our website is now live on Chrome. So I want to talk about breakpoints. Breakpoints in Framer just deals with responsiveness of our website. This helps us make our website responsive on all devices. So we are currently in the desktop breakpoint, which is 1200 width in pixels. This means that anything after 1200 width in pixels is going to be viewing this particular canvas that we are right here in. To add other breakpoints, we just head over here and then click on breakpoint, and then we can add our tablet breakpoint. We can also click on breakpoint and then add our phone breakpoint. As you can see here now, our hello world text is being sucked in. So this is very important to add your breakpoint so that when other users are viewing our website, you can be able to view a more responsive mode of our website. So I'm still going to come back to fix this. Now, to move to this other part of our canvas, I'm just going to hold my shift key and my scroll on my mouse. So I'm just going to hold my shift key and then scroll like this on my mouse. Now, to add custom breakpoints, I'm going to click here and then click on custom. So we can add larger screens apart from the 1200 pixels that we have as our custom desktop breakpoint. So we can add a desktop large and then give it a name. And give it our width. Our width can be 1440 pixels. And then we're just going to click on add. Once you add a new breakpoint, our new breakpoint will be shown here. So let's talk about positioning in Framer. There are different types of positions in Framer, and this is the absolute position right here. In the absolute position, we can move our elements anywhere in the canvas. There is also a relative position. Now, for example, if I give our desktop a layout, I'm still going to explain much more about layouts, but let's just give it a layout. You can see now that our element has been fixed to a particular position, which is relative to our canvas. And now this is what we call relative positioning. In relative positioning, we can move our element freely in our canvas. Our element is always relative to its parent stack. So as you can also see here, we have absolute positioning, relative positioning, and we have talked about these two. Now, fixed positioning. In fixed positioning, our element is being fixed to a particular spot. It can move even while scrolling on our canvas. And then for sticky positioning just means that our element will be placed on top of wherever we put it to. So we can give it a value of maybe 80 or any other value. So once our element scrolls to the top, maybe 80 pixels to the top, it's going to stop there till we scroll to the very bottom before it can move out. Don't worry, you'll see more of that once we start working on a project. Now I want to talk about width and height in Framer. I'm just going to take this back to a relative positioning. Now this is our width section and this is our height section. Most of your problems in Framer will be fixed here. By problems, I mean your problems dealing with responsiveness of your website. Now there's a fixed width, a relative width, a fill width, and fit content. I'm going to be going with fixed width for now. Fixed width means our width can be fixed to a particular pixels and then it won't expand more than that or reduce more than that. So if we expand this width right here, you can see that our the number of pixels is being increased. So fixed width is just, as the name implies, is a fixed number in which we can give our width. So relative means this is a percentage to our parent frame. If our width is being set at 71%, it means that our width is 71% relative to this desktop canvas, which is the parent frame. Fill means we are filling the whole parent frame. Fit content means it's sucking in and then fitting the content of the element. As for the height, a fixed height also means that we can increase the height or reduce the height depending on what we want, and this is being to a fixed height. Relative height, just like the width, you can also increase it relative to the parent frame. Fill also means that we can fill the parent frame for the height. Fit content also means that it will suck in and then fit the content of the elements. Viewport, this means that this particular height would only fill the screen of the user. We can have 100 VH. This means that it will fill the whole screen, or if we divide it by 2, that is 50 VH. It means that it will fit half of the screen. For best practices, you always need to set your width to fill and then your height to fit content. Here's what I mean. In the width section, I'm just going to set it to fill at most and then set the height to fit content. Now, when we are viewing our website, it will be more responsive. You can check out the you can check out the phone breakpoint right now. You can see now that it is much more responsive other than before. So if we preview our website and then we're just going to go to show UI. Now if we're going to bring our website together, you can see now that it is much more responsive. It's not going outside of its space. It's being cranked together. So this is what we are going to be using mostly for a responsive website. So that will be all for now. See you in the next video.